Sinubukan na ang ibang food supplement pero lahat ay walang pakinabang? Malalaman ko pa ba ang sikreto para gumaling na sa karamdaman at maibalik ang kagandahan ng balat at lakas ng pangangatawan? Diva Secret International reveals the secret. Our premier product has a modern plant-based stem cell therapy formula na napatunayang may kakayahang mag-repair, mag-replace, mag-replicate, mag-restore at mag-rejuvenate ng mga damaged at dead cells at pagalingin ang higit sa 200 na mga sakit. Nalalabanan ang lahat ng negatibong kondisyon sa katawan nang walang side effect. Napapalusog ang balat at napapalakas ang mga buto. You get the feeling of renewed energy every day. Diva Secret International has been awarded Consumer Choice Award and American Health and Wellness Excellence Award in just 7 months. Diva Secret is the most effective and advanced stem cells today. All natural solution for healthy lifestyle, backed up by these powerful ingredients. Astaxanthin, acai berry extract, aquaman, Boswellia serrata extract, honey, black cumin seeds, probiotics, turmeric, grapeseed extract, bilberry extract, blackcurrant extract, pomegranate, glycidin cantaloupe, glycidine gliadin extract, and apple stem cells. With its direct selling platform, may earning opportunity pa habang pinatitibay ang kalusugan. Malusog ka na, malusog din ang bulsa para sa buong pamilya. Health is wealth indeed. Try Diva Secret and be a member today.